If you're preparing your car for sale, cleaning it properly is the first thing you should think about. A clean car can work wonders for its appearance, making it stand out in pictures and actually increase its value too. You could take it to a hand car wash, but they might not give it the attention it needs. So for this video, we enlisted the help of professional car valeter Ted Welford to give us some top tips on how to clean your car like the pros. Number 1. Do the interior first. All cars get grubby interiors eventually. Often they're the area that needs the most work. While a quick hoover will help, you really need to take time to get it up to pro levels. Take the mats out to clean them, and it will mean you can vacuum underneath them too. If the seats are leather and shiny, it means they're dirty. You want a nice matte finish, which you'll get with some proper dedicated cleaner. Clean and sanitize all key touch points too. Remember the gear lever, steering wheel and wiper stalks.
If you're thinking about what sprays and things to use on the interior, I generally use like an all-purpose cleaner, which, as its name suggests, it can do like a multitude of things, and as long as it's well diluted and you're not using it on any like cracked or really heavily worn surfaces, it's entirely fine.
Number 2. Turn your attentions to the exterior. When you're looking to sell a car, the exterior is arguably what matters most, as it's the first bit potential punters will see. Use a pressure washer to remove as much muck as possible before you even touch the car. Be mindful not to spray the nozzle too close to the paint, and pay special attention to the wheel arches as they often get overlooked. Number 3. Wheels are next. Do the wheels with their own bucket of shampoo and water. The finish and appearance can make or break the overall finish, so it's worth paying special attention here. Make sure you clean into the barrel of the wheel, not just the faces. A range of wheel brushes can help, and a dedicated wheel cleaner product will help shift ingrained dirt. Number 4. Work from the top down. Usually the roof and bonnet are the cleanest areas, while the lower doors and sills have the most dirt on them.
Before you even start wiping down the car, you should jet wash it first, and also work from the top down, because generally speaking the least dirt will be at the top of the vehicle.
Once you've gone round the whole car, rinse it off, but don't let it dry. This can cause water spots that will ruin your hard work. Dry with a proper microfiber towel instead. It will really improve the finish. Don't be tempted to use a drying blade, as these will scratch the paint. Number 5. Clean under the bonnet. Car buyers will always look under the bonnet, so make sure it's clean here too. Don't use a hose or pressure washer though. Instead, a well diluted all-purpose cleaner with some damp cloths will do the trick. Don't waste new cloths, as they'll only get ruined.
Just a good all-round cleaner is what you need to clean under the bonnet, but you don't want anything too harsh, because these hoses and things can be quite delicate and you don't want to do any damage.
And don't be heavy-handed, as you might knock something important. Number 6. Don't forget the door and boot shuts. These often get overlooked, as they're technically neither the interior or exterior of the car.
Dirt on a car can gather in a lot of places that you might not have otherwise thought of, and the door shuts here can be one of those main places, and it's an area where if people are getting in and out of all the time, they might notice, so it's a good idea just to give it a quick wipe down.
Number 7. The finishing touches. These really matter when you're looking to get the pro car clean look. On the interior, give it a final vacuum for anything you might have missed.
Once the car is dry, there might still be odd watermarks that could be on the paint and marks, so it's the finishing touches that really count to get the best possible finish. So here I'm going to use what's called a quick detailer, or it's sometimes known as a spray wax, and you simply just give it a wipe over on the painted finishes, give it a wipe like this, and then just quickly rub off any residue after, and it'll help spruce up the paint straight away.
Add some tyre shine to darken the rubber. When you're cleaning your car like a pro, remember it's the details that really count.